T-Mobile routers, including Nokia Fastmile 5G and Arcadian KVD21 models, sometimes get stuck in a boot loop, repeatedly powering up without fully starting. This often happens due to corrupted firmware from incomplete updates, power instability, or hardware issues. If your router is boot looping, first check your power source and cables. Then use the T-Mobile Internet app's Router Health Check feature, launched in February 2025, to remotely diagnose the problem. For manual checks, access diagnostic logs at 192.168.12.1 for error codes like fatal error, boot failure. Keep your router's firmware updated and use a surge protector to prevent power-related issues. Remember that modifying firmware can void your warranty. Stick to official methods. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the boot loop, try resetting your router. A soft reset done via the app or web interface clears temporary data. A hard reset, by holding the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds, restores factory settings. Note that a factory reset erases all configurations. Trends show T-Mobile addressing these issues with over-the-air updates, with the latest stable releases version 1.2.04 for Nokia routers and 2.108 for Arcadian models deployed in mid-2024, reducing crash rates by approximately 40%. AI diagnostics in the T-Mobile app are emerging to predict boot loops based on usage patterns. Newer router models feature improved cooling and dual firmware partitions to prevent crashes, and routers are incorporating energy-efficient designs, reducing power-related loops amid global energy crises. While complete fixes are coming, understanding these steps can help minimize downtime.